Hey guys, it's me Aditi. So today I'm gonna do an Oak Park tour. So let's get started. So you can see there's the beautiful apartments. So we're gonna go here. Keep going. We're gonna go this way. You can see there's some beautiful apartments. Then we're gonna go back. Let's do the whole apartments tour. So let's go. We're gonna go. Here's our building. Now we're gonna keep going. Here's the other building. So yay! Let's go. And yay! We're gonna go here. You can see there's more apartments. And they're so beautiful. We're gonna go keep going this way. So keep going. Then we're gonna go this way. Now you can see there's the more apartments up in the sides. So we're gonna go keep going straight. There's more apartments. So keep going. Now here's the other back side of our building. So I'm gonna go this way. Here, this is the leaving center. Here's the pool gate. So see, here's the pool. Now we're gonna keep going. Here's the leaving center, and here is the gym. So yay! So now we're gonna keep going. Now we're gonna come here. Here we have the park, slides. Yeah. So we have more parking. So yeah. There's more apartments over here and over there. The cars are blocking it. So yay. Now I'm gonna go this way. You can see the beautiful view. We're gonna go this way, and here's more cars. Yay. And more parkings. Now we're gonna keep going. Here we're back in the leaving center. For our stuff, you can see around. Here's the main gate. So yeah, that's the main gate. Here's it. There are more apartments. Here's the bathroom. So yay! Now we're gonna go this way. So there are also beautiful plants over here. And this is my favorite plant. So keep going. There it is. There's the pool. Yeah. Here's back to our apartment. Here's the windows. Apartment. Here's our apartment. We have some cute decorations up here. Can't really see them. Here we have some plants over here. And yeah. So that was the whole Oak Park. So thanks for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and give us a comment down below. And see you on next video. Bye.